Welcome to Global Data 365. Today, we will learn how to use Flash Fill in Excel. Let's dive into how we can use it to streamline data entry. Firstly, we have an employee list here, and we want to quickly extract the first name, last name, and initials. Start by typing the first name in the first cell. For example, type John in cell C4. Now go to the next cell, C5, press Ctrl plus E, and look at that. Excel fills in all the first names automatically. Then for, or the last names, type Smith in the first cell of the last name column. Then move to the next cell, D5, and press Ctrl plus E. Flash Fill instantly fills in the rest. Similarly, to get the initials, type JS in the first cell of the initials column. Hit Ctrl plus E, and Flash Fill completes the rest of the initials for you. Now, let's say you have phone numbers in a variety of formats, but you want them to follow the standard format. So, in the first cell of the standard format column, type 123-4567890. Press Enter, then go to the next cell and hit Ctrl plus E. Voila! Excel automatically reformats all the phone numbers in the same style. Moreover, let's extract specific parts from email addresses, the username and domain. Here, in the first cell of the username column, type John Smith. Look, I write the John with caps lock on, so it's not working. Now correcting it. Press Enter, move to the next cell, and then press Ctrl plus E. Flash Fill will instantly extract all the usernames. Similarly, in the domain column, type gmail.com. Press Enter, move to the next cell, and press Ctrl plus E. Excel extracts the domain part from all email addresses. That's the magic of Ctrl plus E, Flash Fill in action. Whether you're extracting names, reformatting numbers, or isolating email components, Flash Fill can save you tons of time. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit our website www.globaldata365.com.